Okay, so I've got XLReporter's Project Explorer loaded here, and the Project Explorer is the first window that you'll see upon installing the software and represents a hub of all the different tools that you'll use to design and deploy your reporting project. Now you'll also notice that it's loaded to an XLR demo project, which is a sales project that's a good illustration of how XLReporter works across different vertical industries and against different types of data sources. But you probably wouldn't want these simulator reports running inside of your own application. So the first thing that we do is create a new project. You would name the project after the facility where you have it installed or the types of reports that you're generating. I'll just call mine regulatory in the spirit of the workshop that we're doing right now. And I'm going to build 3 different data connectors. One is a simulator of a PLC, so we'll get live values from a simulated PLC there. I'll also build a connector to a historian simulator. And then finally, I'll build a connector that will hold manual entry values. So these are things like operator rounds or things that are being recorded in a water or wastewater treatment facility that aren't necessarily included in the automatic SCADA data. Now, XLReporter supports SQL Server, Access, MySQL, and really any ODBC DSN, but I find for manual entry, the built-in Access database in the project is usually adequate. So I'll select that. I'll go into the regulatory project data folder, XLR database, test my connection, click OK. Now I've got all 3 of my data sources defined: PLC, historian, and manual entry database. So I'll click Finish, and this message here is just telling us that the web server component of XLReporter is switching over from that XLR demo project to the regulatory project that I just created.